Good evening, Columbus. Next up, Tony Tone Tone. Feels good. And I'm here live. You're listening to Master B on Magic 95.5 WXME. And listen, make sure you stay tuned. Because I got some free tickets to give away. That's right. Free tickets tonight at 8 p.m. for the Boys to Men concert. Happening next month right here on Magic 95.5. Welcome back, Columbus. That was Feels Good by Tony Tone Tone. And I'm Master B on Magic 95.5. Next track, I'm going to slow it down a little bit here, Columbus, with Red Light Special by TLC on 95.5 WXME. Move R&B, and that was TLC with Red Light Special. You're listening to Master B on Magic 95.5. And listen, Columbus, we're going to get a little bit smoother now with Keith Sweat Twisted on Magic 95.5 WXME.
What are you gonna do, baby? Do whatever you know. You know you want my love, baby.
Getting in the groove and being smooth. That was Keith Sweat with Twisted. You listening to Master B on Magic 95.5. I bid you good night, Columbus. I got the ladies calling, if you know what I mean, so stay safe. Keep listening to Magic 95.5 WXME. And join me again tomorrow evening right here, playing all your smooth R&B.